Some things I can't eat. There are things I can't eat spinach or kale because the oxalates and the lectins are going to give me leaky gut. I've already experienced that. I'm on my health journey back. And understanding that we all have DNA, and some of it is called junk DNA. But this junk DNA, it's not junk. They're just finding out that a lot of it has purpose. A lot of it is connected, and a lot of it is actually feeding into your system. So you want to be able to do things like clean up your environment because there's so many things around us that's destroying our DNA. And junk DNA is wordplay. What they try to do is get you to add that word junk, thinking it's useless, it's worthless, it has nothing to do with anything. But it's one of our biggest powers. And I believe that we have a lot of that power within us, but we've been tricked into thinking we can't access it. And how they trick us, not only by media, but they also trick us by the environment. We're talking about microplastics, which are everywhere. They find microplastics in our testicles now.
Yes.
Microplastics is outrageous. We have to start cleaning up our environment, understanding what we're eating, what we're drinking, where we're going to eat, what kind of oils are they using where we're going to eat. All those things are damaging our DNA, damaging our genetics, activating genes that bring on dis-ease, which leads to disease, and then you'll end up pushing up daisies. We have to understand that and realize that in ancient times, it was a much different system. And the way that things were laid out for us initially, it was based on the genetic makeup of the human body.
Thanks.
And they were feeding people based on that in different regions of the planet. No matter where you were indigenously, your surroundings provided everything your body needed. And now, like you said, more European. So we have to keep that in mind. And we have to find out who we are and know more about our bodies than the doctors. Because the doctors have a practice.
And there's ways to do that, Billy. So what we do at my clinic, I got 2 clinics in St. Louis, Missouri. We do exactly what you said.
Make some noise for that.
Praise it. So we also got a fully accredited laboratory in Houston, Texas. That's where we send all of our blood off and genes off to do gene testing and to do blood analysis. What we notice is, if you know about amino acids, raise your hand. Amino acids, y'all see that? They teach y'all that in school. Have anybody heard of a carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid. See, you see, it's only a few hands. So even when you get into the structure of amino acid and carboxylic acids, we are more prone to have more carbon acids or carboxylic acids in our bodies than European, which have amino acids. Then you break these down into their subgroups and you look at amino acids, it's built off of nitrogen, it's built off of ammonia, and it's built off of sulfur. These are your 3 main key ingredients that makes up a European. But when you look at it in ours is selenium, ours is copper, ours is melanin and carbon. So